It all starts in the quiet corners of nature, where a butterfly gently rests on the underside of a leaf. She carefully lays her eggs, each no bigger than the tip of a pin. Though small and fragile, these eggs carry the promise of transformation and beauty. The mother butterfly knows exactly where to place them, on leaves that will become food for her young. For days, the eggs remain hidden, blending with their green surroundings, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Inside the egg, life stirs. A tiny larva forms, curled up in silence. Soon, the shell will break, and the first stage of the butterfly's incredible journey will begin. After a few days, the eggs begin to change color, signaling that new life is ready to emerge. Slowly, the eggshell cracks, and out comes a tiny caterpillar, hungry, fragile, yet determined. This moment marks the very first breath of a creature destined for transformation. Once free from its egg, the caterpillar wastes no time. Its very first meal is often the eggshell itself, packed with nutrients. Then, it begins its true feast, the fresh green leaves of the plant its mother chose. Day by day, the tiny larva grows stronger, devouring leaf after leaf. With jaws designed for chewing, the caterpillar munches endlessly, sometimes consuming twice its body weight in a single day. But eating is only part of the story. As the caterpillar grows, its skin cannot stretch. Instead, it sheds, molting its outer layer several times. Each new skin reveals a larger, stronger version of itself. These stages, called instars, mark the caterpillar's rapid transformation. With each molt, its colors become more vivid, its patterns more striking, warning predators that it is not an easy target. Caterpillars live with one mission: to eat, grow, and prepare for what comes next. Though they may look simple, every bite fuels the astonishing metamorphosis that lies ahead. Soon, this little creature will stop eating altogether, and a profound change will begin. After days of non-stop feeding, the caterpillar reaches its full size. Its body, once small and fragile, is now plump and strong, ready for the most mysterious stage of its life. Then, something extraordinary happens. It stops eating. Instead, it searches for the perfect place to rest. A branch, a stem, or the underside of a leaf becomes its chosen spot. There, it attaches itself with silk threads, hanging upside down in a J shape. Suddenly, its skin splits open one last time. But unlike before, what emerges is not another caterpillar. It is a chrysalis. This case, smooth and jade green, looks lifeless. Yet inside, an astonishing transformation is already underway. The caterpillar is dissolving, breaking down into a rich soup of cells. From this chaos, the blueprint of a butterfly takes shape. Days, sometimes weeks, pass. The outside of the chrysalis remains still, but inside, organs, wings, and antennae are forming. It is one of nature's greatest secrets, hidden in plain sight. Though it seems fragile, the chrysalis is a fortress, protecting its inhabitant from wind, rain, and predators. All the while, the miracle of metamorphosis continues in silence. At last, after days inside the chrysalis, tiny cracks begin to appear. The smooth shell trembles, then splits open. Slowly, a new creature pushes its way into the world. It is delicate, fragile, its body damp and its wings crumpled. The butterfly has arrived. But this newborn cannot fly yet. It clings to the empty case, waiting. Blood-like fluid, called hemolymph, pumps through its wings, stretching them wider and wider. Within moments, the wings grow full-sized, their vibrant colors unfolding like a painting revealed. The butterfly rests, drying its wings in the warmth of the sun. Every minute, they grow stronger. Every breath, its body prepares for its first flight. Finally, with a sudden flutter, it lets go of the chrysalis, the old life of crawling left behind forever. The first flight is clumsy, uncertain, but then it soars. From crawling caterpillar to fluttering butterfly, the transformation is complete. The butterfly, once bound to the earth, now dances through the air with grace. It flutters from flower to flower, sipping nectar with its long proboscis. Each stop is not only for food, but also for purpose, pollination. As it travels, the butterfly carries tiny grains of pollen between blossoms, helping new plants grow. Life creates life. The butterfly has become not just a survivor, but a giver. Then, as days turn into weeks, the butterfly finds a mate. Together, they continue the ancient rhythm of nature. Eggs are laid carefully on fresh leaves, tiny, fragile, and full of promise. From those eggs, new caterpillars will hatch. They will crawl, eat, and one day form their own chrysalis. The cycle will begin again, a never-ending story of change and beauty. From crawling caterpillar to graceful butterfly, this journey is a reminder. Transformation takes time, patience, and struggle, but the result is breathtaking. The butterfly's wings are not just for flight, they are symbols of rebirth and hope.